Hello children, how are you? Today our lesson is safety and concern. You are our strength. You are our happiness. We do so many things to protect you, the best we can. But you also should know how to protect by yourselves. Why you need to be safe? What are the lot of activities put us at the risk of injury? Let's learn about that. Safety and care. A lot of our activities put us at the risk of injury. We use of sharp objects and heavy things, fire and water. Can you tell me example for sharp objects? Broken glasses, knife. Can you tell me example for heavy things? Heavy goods. So when we are using sharp objects, we always cut away from fingers and body. We should always carry sharp objects with points and tips facing down and away. And we should never try to catch falling sharp instrument. And we should grasp sharp instrument only by the handles. We use electrical instruments and we use roads where vehicles move at a high speed. So there are many different ways in which we might get injured. It is important to be careful in all that we do. Let's learn about safety at play. Safety equipment. We must use the right safety equipment for our task, work and games. These will ensure our safety. Safety at play. Have you watched a cricket match? Have you noticed all the gear that the players wear? Why do they wear them? These are safety gear that protect the batsman and the wicket keeper from getting hurt by the ball while playing. Safety at work. Safety equipment can save lives in case of an accident. People doing different kind of work use different kind of safety gear. Let us look at some of them. Helmet protects the head from hits or collisions. Construction workers and firefighters wear helmets. Face mask protects the mouth and nose. Doctors and surgeons wear face masks to protect themselves from infection. Face shields protect us from flying objects such as dust or small metal particles and also protect workers from poisonous fumes. Welders, industrial workers and people working in chemical plants wear face shields. Goalkeepers and wicket keepers have a protective shield attached to their helmets that covers and protects their face. What about safety goggles and eyewear? Safety goggles and eyewear protect the eyes from injury. They are worn by people working in dusty environments, carpenters and other workers who do cutting, drilling, grinding, chipping, spraying or welding. Gloves prevent germs from spreading, can protect electrical workers from electrical shocks. Surgeons, nurses, dentists, archaeologists, electrical workers and many others wear protective gloves. Earplugs protect the ears from very loud noises. People working with loud equipment or exposed to loud music wear earplugs. Let's identify danger. Whether you are at home, on the road, at school, or on the playground, you are exposed to many dangers. Broken, cracked objects, electrical wires, bad plugs, live wires, deep water bodies, fire and object involved in fire, sharp object, busy roads, contaminated food, bad roads, heavy load or weight. Think of other things that you cause you harm. Add them to the list. Shall we do this activity? Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. To protect yourself from harm, you must be careful, careless at all time. So what is the answer? Careful at all times. B. Firefighters, carpenters wear helmets to protect their heads. What is the answer? Firefighters. Doctors wear face masks, goggles to avoid infections. What is the answer? Face mask. Earplugs, gloves protect electrical workers from electrical shocks. What is the answer? Gloves. Sharp objects are dangerous, harmless. What is the answer? Dangerous. Bye. Thank you. Stay safe.